Hello, Super Kids! Welcome back to Fun Science Time. Today we are making electricity using lemons.
Can lemons really make power?
Yes! Let's find out.
Here's what we need. Lemons, zinc nails, copper coins or copper strips, wires, small LED bulb.
This will be awesome! First, roll the lemons gently. Why? To make the juice inside ready!
Now put one zinc nail and one copper strip into each lemon.
Like tiny power stations.
Exactly! Watch the sparks.
Cool! Let's make more!
Now connect the lemons with wires. Copper to zinc, zinc to copper.
Great job!
Now, are you ready? Let's connect the bulb. Metals and lemon juice create power.
Wow!
Lemons made electricity.
Yes!
Yes! The metals and lemon juice create power. The lemon juice helps energy move between metals. That energy lights the bulb.
Science is amazing!
Today we made electricity from lemons. Did you enjoy this experiment?
Yes, us!
Like, subscribe, and join us for more fun science adventures.
Bye-bye, Super Kids!